Away they go. And they jump away as one horse. We've got Divine Eagle, shows early speed together with Bentley. Running in third, Pine Span about 3 wide. Then down on the inside is a Jaiho. In the middle portion is a Cash Register. Heyday is the early trailer by about 10 lengths up the leader as they swing down the back. The lead now belongs to Bentley. We've got Bentley by about 3 lengths. And in second is a Divine Eagle. Alongside is a Pine Span. Cash Register is racing in fourth. Then followed over by Jaiho. And a long way back to Heyday past the last 700. Bentley just in front. Then here comes Divine Eagle together with Pine Span, who's improving now. And about 6 lengths further back in fourth comes Cash Register. Jaiho second last and Heyday. Now we've got 3 of them in the corner. Moving up, rushing upon the outside is a Pine Span. Bentley shuffle back in second. And in third we have Divine Eagle as they race for the rushing horsepower. Pine Span this time by a length and a half. Bentley trying to come back down on the inside. Divine Eagle remains in third. But Pine Span now starts to draw away, leads by about 3. And finally, Pine Span, Bentley, Divine Eagle, Cash Register, Jaiho, and Heyday comes in last through all the way.